Okay, what you want to do is get something to get in here and pluck this out. So once you pluck this out, you can see the Allen key. So we can take the Allen key out and then we can pull the grip off. All right, now we got the grip off. Just want to show you the Allen key is in there, so it's exposed. We're going to take that out and go ahead and yank this grip off. Actually, this is a Trixx bit, so just use the Trixx bit and pull this all the way out. Once you get the Trixx bit out, what you're going to do is pull on it, and it comes right off. So now you're good to go. Everything's off. We can get the wet jet grips on there. Simple as that. As you can see, there's a little room in there. This is where you put the extended bar grips on here. So I'll show you how to put those on there. Really simple. You use your same bolt, put it back in. It's the same way you got it off. Okay, here is your wet jet handlebar extenders. And what this does is get you a better feel. As you see, we precision machine them and they go right in the gap. So it makes your bars longer to fit 130 mil grip. So this is how they fit. And we're gonna put the bolt back in there, slide the grips back over it, clamp it right down. All right, we're gonna go ahead and lock this down. All right, we got them locked in there. Don't strip it. It's all good to go now. Slide your grips on. And you see it comes all the way to the end now. So now that it comes all the way to the end, you clamp everything down. And you get a full feel. You're not missing about 1.5 inches of grip. So what you do is if you slide these on without the bar extenders, you get a little flex over here and these can snap. You can cut your hand coming off a hard wave. We don't want you to do that. So this is how they look. Let's button them up. You go through here, put the lock rings, tighten them all the way down with a small Allen, and they'll lock on here, and then we'll put the wet jet end cap up here, and you're good to go and get back to the water. All right, our end cap, it fits various sizes, so that's why you have those plungers there, because if these were our custom bars, it slides right in there. But in here, as you see, it's not gonna go all the way in, so you have to cut it back about 2 rings and then put it in there. And then once you put it in there, you clamp it down, or you can put a little dab of silicone just so it locks onto the side and it just keeps the water out. All right, we tighten the outside one. Let's tighten the back. All right, it's on there tight. Not coming off. So you get a little bit better feel now. No slipping, feels great with gloves. All good to go. We're gonna put the cap on here with a little silicone so it locks on and keeps water out of this hole and covers the bolt, and it gives you a more finished look. All right, we got the bar end cap on here, and put just a little dab of silicone, but I want to get a tight seal, so I put a little dab all the way around the ring, and then I just use some wet jet tape to push it on here. Use any type of Scotch tape, regular tape, painter's tape, something that doesn't leave any residue. Put it on here, let that sit for about 30 minutes just so it tacks in place if it's silicone, because you want it down all the way. And then I'll go on the other side and do the other side, and then we'll finish, and we'll show you the finished product. And it's gonna look great. It's gonna feel great out on the water. So go ahead and order away. Order it as a set. The handlebars, grips, and the bar extenders, because you need those. All right, we got them on. They look great. Everything's stuck. Your end cap, and this works with OEM. So these look totally awesome. And they're on the website for you to order now, so go ahead and order them up. We got them straight for you. Universal fit, any Seadoo handlebars, but they're especially good on the 300s and the Sparks. This has been Cowboy B. Peace.